Hey guys, it's Trippy, hope you're all doing well. Before I get into this video, I will just say my last video I uploaded, for some reason there seems to be a bit of a bug with YouTube where people are commenting, I'm getting the notification of the comment, but when I go to reply to it or view it on the actual page, it's just gone and I can't figure out why. I've looked all over the website and on Google and can't figure it out, so I tried to respond to everybody, but if you've left me like a long comment or like a question I haven't answered, it's because of the bug. I'm not just ignoring you. But with that said, this video today is going to be based on Roche Rock. It's an old, it's just the ruins of an old chapel, but it's in like a really cool spot. I know in a lot of videos I mentioned Game of Thrones and like how Cornwall looks like some of the scenes that were shot there, but this really looks like an old castle that you would have seen in that, or in like Lord of the Rings or something. But yeah, it's an old chapel. It's like a really cool place to visit. It's been on my list to do for a long time, but I would say if you are visiting Cornwall just for this, have a plan B and a plan C, because you probably won't spend too much time there. I mean, I'm not really big into my history, so after I'd seen it I was like, oh yeah, that's really cool and worth seeing, but yeah, not visiting St Austell just for that kind of thing. But the reason this video is going to be a little bit shorter is because this day that we filmed here, we actually went all over the place. We covered a lot of Cornwall, so after this we went down to Mevagissey for part 2 of my Mevagissey's like sort of coverage, and then drove all the way back down to Mullion because we've never been there, and filmed a little bit around there, and I even had a barbecue, so that video is going to be coming soon. But because I didn't want to include Roche Rock, Mevagissey and Mullion all in one, because it'd be like a 30 or 40 minute video probably, I just thought I'd separate this one off. So yeah, really long intro, but I probably won't be doing too much talking for this just because it's, yeah, just me and Connor showing you Roche Rock really. So yeah, I'll stop blabbering on and I'll get on with the video and hope you guys enjoy. It's a bit like Cornwall here, isn't it? Oh. I said it just reminds me of Cornwall up here.
Bloody whopper.
So it looks smaller in the videos. Oh, there it is. There's a way. Oh, I can see why he was a bit nervous about going up that. I mean, best case scenario is death. Worst case scenario is we're mangled for the rest of our lives if we fall off.
Well, that almost killed me.
It feels pretty sturdy.
Oh.
I'm getting nervous now, it's actually coming to it. Just trying to judge how like soft the landing will be.
How am I going to get the GoPro back to you?
Oh yeah. I mean, it feels pretty safe at the minute.
Is it cold? Is it any colder?
No, it's not too bad.
Ooh. I almost dropped that then. I thought I was at the top and I went to throw it too.
Thank you. Oh. Just on like stage 1, it's quite the view. Oh yeah, I have to look what this actually was. I haven't got a clue. Oh, he's going up. See if I can see out the window. Oh no.
Oh.
Good view up there, is it?
Yeah.
Is that ladder doesn't look quite as stable as the other one? It's what?
It's weird here. I don't understand what this stuff is or was.
Oh. Now why can't cliffs have nice stable ladders instead of slippery rocks? Oh. Oh, you can see the school. Or whatever it is. Oh. Oh, surprisingly high up here. Yee-hoo.
Good.
Bloody hell. Are these the little carvings in the rock? Is that the what they're called? Is that like secret society? Or is that just people? Do you know what I mean?
They're kind of